Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hopefully you guys are doing well. All right, let's go ahead and get rocking and rolling here. So, just a quick little recap, quickly, on the weekly bias that I'm holding. So, still according to plan, as long as things start to play out the way that I've been anticipating. So, we got dollar finally starting to pull up out of the weekly imbalance for now. We'll see if it stays that way. But still wanting to see price move higher on dollar, which I'm wanting to see price move lower on indices as a result of that. So where we are at on both of these indices, ES on the right, NQ on the left, we've pulled back to OTE of the range on ES, 4 hour hitting this gap. And also we've got that same high right here on NQ. So the SMT that exists between these two right now is from here to here. SMT at the highs, 4 hour and daily inefficiencies being tapped into on ES for sure. NQ looks like we just barely, doesn't look like we quite got into this gap here on the 4 hour. But waiting for potential shorts again today is, I guess, the moral of the story. Here we go. Wow, we're selling off like crazy. Hamana. Looks like a nice 2022 model on the 2 minute here on ES. If I'm being honest, I don't like that ES came down, didn't take the low here, but NQ did. Along with the fact that we got equal highs right here on ES. Yeah, man, I like this displacement. I just, there's a couple things that I don't love, which is just this new SMT, but it's on the 1 minute. It's internal. You know, we got SMT externally on a higher time frame, which is definitely going to be more important. So I'd hate to, like, let this keep me out of where I think it's going to go just because of one little thing like that, if that makes sense. But the reason I'm eyeing this up and why I put my stop here is because this candle wick already came up and mitigated this fair value gap here. See that? So as you scale in even smaller, it's a little bit of a, or you got an up close candle in here. I'd like to see this pull back to equilibrium though. Yeah, I'm going to try this trade with a 1 contract. Keep it light risk just because there's a couple things that I don't love about it. Obviously, stop loss is going to be in the middle of OTE. I'm going to take it down to these lows here. Equilibrium entry, fair value gap. Stop above, I guess, this fair value gap candle, the one that created the breaking structure here. But yeah, just going to do light risk for it. I could easily do 2 for this one, but just a couple of things that make me a little skittish, and it's just this internal SMT and the equal highs on ES. There we go.
Order filled.
Jeez, that was loud. What the hell? All right, guys, I'm into the 1. Light risk, 17.5 points. Came back to equilibrium. I literally got top ticked in. That'll be so nice if that plays. If it plays out, I can't remember the last time I've had a trade that actually. I've had trades that do this and then they react nice and then they come. Well, I think you guys know. This would be cool if it did this though. But at the same time, it's like, man, oh shit.
Stop filled.
Well, so much for that. Minus 350 there. Guys, I think I'm tempted to hop in again here with 1. Put stop at the high. ES is making me not want to. It's just the thing is, the thing is, folks, I just fucking think we're selling off this week. I fucking do. That's what I think. I think DXY is going to go up. But yeah, it's you know what I mean? It's hanging around up here, making it a little challenging, doing things like inversing this gap that it just put in after putting us, you know what I mean? So it's like, Jesus. Then it's like, it does this type of shit where it comes up just enough to get you out and then just fucking tanks. And then it's like, if you wait for that, you don't get picked up, it'll just come here and sell off. I mean, it's just one of those things that makes you really love trading. If you wait, you're fucked. If you don't wait, you're fucked. Welcome to trading. There she goes. All right, limit going on here at the 5-minute order block.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. Yeah, let's see if I can get away with an ad here at the OB if we can retap the bodies. At that point, I will put my stop up here. I might as well just move it up now. So I move my stop down. Oh, man. Couldn't get quite back there. But I want to be mindful. Like, if ES takes the low. Okay, ES is taking the low now. Like, I don't want to add anymore after that low's taken. I kind of wanted to add, well, and that's the other problem with futures too. Like if I would have added, let's say it would have came up a little bit further, added, the average fill would have been about here. And then if I took one off right now because ES is taking that low, well, now my average fill goes even lower. Man, that really bugs me. That bugs me a lot. But ES taking that low now, so I'm just going to remove my risk fully, I think. Just to be safe. Nah, we should be good. We should be good. Good vibes, right? Yep, macro incoming. A few minutes, a couple minutes here now. All right, countdown is on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let the fireworks begin. All right, generated sell side swept again. Magnus, did I get you? Shoulda. By a tick. Literal tick. Took half off. There you go. So far macro's doing its thing. It's always a little bit intimidating though when we swipe below and then instantly like fly back up. Gotta say I don't like that. Sometimes you just gotta have faith. Spoken like a true gambler. No, just kidding. If I had more than one contract on, I'd be partialing and then just living with the outcome. Like Magnus is in a really good situation that he, took half off and like if it comes back, it comes back. But our original stop, remember, was all the way up fucking over. It was a 30-point stop, so I really couldn't afford without over leveraging more than one. Like right here. Yeah, I mean that's why I took the first loss. I wasn't expecting that. And that's what made me hesitate just jumping back in. Like, this is tough. I wanted to just get in when I saw it rejecting here. I don't like that we just closed back in the range. I think I might just hop out.
Order filled.
Hop out, man. I only got like $400 to gain by holding it to there if it keeps going, but I don't like this. I don't like that it came down like that strong and then right back closed in. This 5-minute, we'll see though. If you want to keep holding, do your thing, but at least I'm gonna be green on the morning. Well, we celebrate anyway, folks. We fucking celebrate anyway. Oh, man. It's always nice. However, if you remember, what was that? What day was that last week? I mean, I did something like that, and it ended up just ripping the rest of the way. I'm only human, am I right? Let me know if you guys are holding still. If you guys closed it with me, let me know. Let me know. Do you still look at PM session during the week, or do you prefer to stay away? I mean, I prefer to stay away if we can get really clean action in the AM. And I would not consider today's action like clean, but I wouldn't consider it like bad either. You know, clear setup, looking for shorts all morning. If this 5-minute candle closes back above that low, like it looks like it might, I'm going to feel really good about my decision regardless of how this plays out. Because like that was the only other thing I was considering waiting for. But yeah, no. So like the shorts was the idea the whole morning. I'm just a little annoyed that I took a loss trying to get short up in here. Just that's why this is so tough, this big range. Okay, so I'm happy with my decision. Close bullish back in the range. That looks like a nice long wick too. SMT still present at the low. But yeah, I just you know, the only thing I would have loved to have had been different was not take that first little L. And then I guess also, I mean, I was confident in the direction. Hindsight's easy to say, but it would have been nice if I didn't hesitate, because I was hesitating, thinking about it. I'm like, you know, I already took a loss. Maybe I should just fucking be patient. But I was, you know, confident. I wanted to just jump in here when I saw it respecting, like right here-ish. So that would have been nice, you know. I wouldn't have put my stop here, though, at that time. I would have had my stop, like, up here, probably. And, you know, like now this would be a really nice, even to this low. I probably would have just taken everything off at this low because I'd have been content with this. 76 points. But then again, I also might have taken it off once we took out this because we had SMT formed at that moment. So being honest with myself, if I had just one contract on, this is probably what I would have done. But that's still nice. Over 50 points, 200 some ticks. So I guess the only thing I would have preferred about today, if I could go back and rewrite history, but it is what it is. We'll see what tomorrow or today still has in store. But enjoy the rest of your guys' hump day. Enjoy your Wednesday. If you guys need anything, as always, reach out. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Peace, everybody.